नमस्ते विद्यार्थी मित्रो, या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण प्रॅक्टिस सेट 6.2 बघणार आहोत. त्यात ॲप्लिकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. मेनी टाइम्स वी नीड टू नो द हाईट ऑफ अ टॉवर, बिल्डिंग, ट्री or distance of a ship from the lighthouse or width of a river, etc. We cannot measure them actually, but we can find them with the help of trigonometric ratios. For the purpose of computation, we draw a rough sketch to show the given information. Trees, hills, or towers are vertical objects. या सर्व vertical objects असतील. So, we shall represent them in figure by segments which are perpendicular to the ground. We will not consider height of the observer, and we shall normally regard observer's line of vision to be parallel to the horizontal level. Okay, let us study a few related terms. First, line of vision. If the observer is standing at the location A, looking at an object B, then the line AB is called line of the vision. Okay. Next, angle of elevation. If an observer at A observe the point B, which is at a level higher than A, and AM is the horizontal line, then angle BAM is called the angle of elevation. Okay, या ठिकाणी angle of elevation कुठला आहे? That is a BAM. Okay, here AM is the horizontal line and the line of vision is AB. Okay, next, angle of depression. If an observer at A observes point C, which is at a level lower than A, and AM is the horizontal line, then angle MAC is called the angle of depression. Here the horizontal line is AM and the line of vision is AC. Angle of depression is MAC. When we see above the horizontal line, the angle formed is angle of elevation. When we see below the horizontal line, the angle formed is the angle of depression. या ठिकाणी आपण हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईनच्या वर बघतोय म्हणून दिस इज अँगल ऑफ इलेव्हेशन. हॉरिझॉन्टल लाईनच्या आपण खाली बघत आहोत, therefore it is angle of depression. Okay, now we'll see the solved example. त्यातलं first example, an observer at a distance of 10 meter from a tree looks at the top of the tree. The angle of elevation is 60 degree. What is the height of the tree? Here root 3 is equals to 1.73. Okay, in figure 6.9, AB is equals to H. या ठिकाणी height of the tree आपण ती काय कन्सिडर करणार? H is the height of the tree. BC is equals to 10 meter. Distance of the observer from the tree. Okay, angle of elevation, that is a theta, BCA is equals to 60 degree. From figure, tan theta is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side, that is AB upon BC. Okay, and here we know that the angle of elevation is a 60. We know that tan 60 is a root 3. Therefore, AB upon BC is equals to root 3. And hence here AB is equals to BC into root 3. But what is a BC? Root 3. Root 3 is a 1.73. आणि त्यांचा product किती येणार? That is AB is equals to 17.3 meter. That is the height of the tree is a 17.3 meter. Okay. Now, next example. Example number 2. From the top of a building, an observer is looking at a scooter parked at some distance away. Okay. Makes an angle of depression of 30 degree. Okay. या टॉप वरनं तो बिल्डिंगच्या इथे बघतोय where the scooter is a park. There is, that is the angle of depression is a 30 degree. Makes an angle of depression of 30 degree if the height of the building is a 40 meter. AB is the height of the building. It's a 40 meter. Find how far the scooter is from the building. म्हणजे आपल्याला हे BC हे डिस्टन्स या ठिकाणी फाइंड आउट करायचे. That here BC is equals to X. In the figure 6.10, AB is the building. A scooter is at C, which is X meter away from the building. That is the BC distance is X meter. In figure A is the position of the observer. A ही position of the observer. AM is the horizontal line and angle MAC is the angle of depression. Okay. Now here angle MAC and angle ACB are the alternate angles. Okay. या दोन्ही लाईन्स कशा आहेत तर त्या पॅरलल आहेत. AC ही त्याची ट्रान्सव्हर्सल आहे and therefore these are two alternate angles आणि त्यांचं मेजर कसं असणार तर सेम असणार आहे. Therefore measure of angle ACB is equals to 30 degree and therefore from triangle ABC tan 30 is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. Okay, that is the tan 30 is equals to AB upon BC. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, AB is 40 and BC is X. And therefore here, if you take the cross multiplication, 1 into X, that is X. Root 3 into 40, then you are getting 40 root 3. या ठिकाणी root 3 ची व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार 1.73 आणि हा product करणार 40 into 1.73, then you will get here 69.20 meter. Therefore here the scooter is 69.20 meter away from the building. म्हणजे ते BC distance किती आलं 69.20. Okay. Now next example number 3. To find the width of the river, a man observes the top of a tower on the opposite bank making an angle of elevation 60 degree. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी this is the AB is the tower. Man observe the top of the tower making an angle of elevation 61 degree. Okay. When he moves 50 meter backward from the bank and observe the same top of the tower, his line of vision makes an angle of elevation of 35 degree. आणि तो 50 मीटर बॅकवर्ड गेल्यानंतर आणि पुन्हा त्या ए या टॉप कडे तो बघतोय. Then he makes an angle of 35 degree. Find the height of the tower means what? We want to find out AB and the width of the river म्हणजे आपल्याला BC हे फाइंड आउट करायचे. Here tan of 61 is equals to 1.8, tan 35 is equals to 0.7. Segment AB shows the tower on opposite bank. A is the top of the tower and segment BC shows the width of the river. Let H be the height of the tower and X be the width of the river. Now from figure, that is from the triangle ABC, tan of 61, that is opposite side upon adjacent side, H upon X. Tan of 61 is equals to H upon X. And therefore here, what is the value of tan 61? It's a 1.8. And therefore 1.8 is equals to H upon X. And hence you will get here H is equals to 1.8 into X. आता H is equals to 1.8 into x या एक्सप्रेशनला 10 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. देन यू विल गेट हियर 10h. इथे जर आपण 10 ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं, दॅट इज 10 into h. 1.8 into x into 10. 1.8 into 10, you will get here 18. And hence you will get here 10h is equals to 18x. Okay, this is expression number 1. That is multiplying by 10 on both sides. Now next we will consider here the triangle ABD. आता या ठिकाणी ABD हा triangle आपण consider करणार. Again here we will find out the ratio, tan ratio find out करणार. That is the tan of 35 is equals to AB upon BD, adjacent side. But what about the BD? BD is nothing but BC plus CD, that is a x plus 50. Therefore tan of 35 is equals to h upon x plus 50. But what is the tan 35? Tan 35 is a 0.7 आणि म्हणून आपण इथे tan 35 च्या ठिकाणी काय लिहिणार? 0.7. पुन्हा या ठिकाणी इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. h is equals to 0.7 in bracket x plus 50. Again multiply on both side by 10. If you multiply then you will get here 10h. 0.7 into 10 you will get here 7 in bracket x plus 50, and this is expression number 2. आता या दोन्ही एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये दिस इज अ 10h आणि हा देखील काय आहे तर 10h. इक्वेट इट. या दोन्ही लेफ्ट हँड साइड कशा आहेत तर सेम आहे. Therefore you will get here 18x is equals to 7 in bracket x plus 50, and hence here 18x is equals to 7 in bracket x plus 50. 18x is equals to 7x, 7 into 50, that is you will get here 350, and hence हे solve करणार 18x minus 7x, you will get here 11x is equals to 350, and hence here x is equals to 350 upon 11. आता पुन्हा ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. then x is equals to 31.82. okay, this is the value of x. but what is the x? X means what? The width of the river. आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय? the height of the tower means what? we want to find out h. okay, h is equals to 1.8 into x. मग या ठिकाणी ती x ची व्हॅल्यू h is equals to 1.8 into x. 1.8 into 31.82. ते मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती आलं? 57.28 मीटर. and hence finally the answer, width of the river is 31.82 meter and height of the tower is 57.28 meter. okay, now next example. Roshni saw an eagle on the top of tree at an angle of elevation 61 degree. ओके, आता ही रोशनी इथे आहे पी या ठिकाणी आणि ती या टॉप ऑफ द ट्री म्हणजे आर या ठिकाणी ते ईगल बघते. ओके, मेकिंग अन अँगल ऑफ इलेव्हेशन दॅट इज अ 61 degree. While she saw standing at the door of her house, she went on the terrace. आणि लगेच ती त्या टेरेसवर जाते म्हणजे क्यू या पोझिशनला. सो दॅट सी कुड सी इट क्लिअरली. आणि म्हणून ती क्यू या ठिकाणी येते म्हणजे जेणेकरून त्याला ते ईगल क्लिअर दिसलं पाहिजे. द टेरेस वॉज ॲट अ हाईट ऑफ 4 मीटर. म्हणजेच हे पी क्यू हे डिस्टन्स किती आहे तर ते 4 मीटर आहे. व्हाईल ऑब्झर्विंग द ईगल फ्रॉम देअर द अँगल ऑफ इलेव्हेशन वॉज 52. आणि त्यावेळेसचा अँगल ऑफ इलेव्हेशन किती आहे तर तो 52 डिग्री. ॲट व्हॉट हाईट फ्रॉम द ग्राउंड वॉज द ईगल. म्हणजे आपल्याला हे आर एस हे डिस्टन्स फाइंड आउट करायचं आहे. ओके, नाव सी दिस आर सम व्हॅल्यूज. टॅन ऑफ 61 ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली आहे, टॅन ऑफ 52, टॅन 29, टॅन 38. ओके, नाव सी दिस आर. इन फिगर पी क्यू इज द हाऊस and SR is the tree. PQ, see this here, PQ is the house and SR is the tree. Okay, the eagle is at R. आपण बघितलं मगाशीच ईगल हा कुठे तर या आर या पोझिशनला आहे. ओके, ड्रॉ सेगमेंट QT perpendicular to segment RS. Draw QT perpendicular to RS. Okay, now here therefore quadrilateral TSPQ is a rectangle. TSPQ is a rectangle. Now see this here. SP is equals to X. See this here. SP is equals to X and RT is equals to Y, or TR is equals to Y. Now in triangle RSP. In triangle RSP. Okay. See this here. In triangle RSP. Measure of angle PRS is equals to 90 minus 61 and that is equals to 21. आता बघा या ट्रायंगल मध्ये that is in triangle PRS. What about the here measure of angle is 61. हा किती तर 90 आहे and hence the measure of angle SRP is equals to 21. A measure of angle, this is the 21. And in triangle RTQ, measure of angle RQT is 52 and hence measure of angle TRQ is 38. The measures किती येतात ते 38 आहे. Now tan of PRS, आता tan कोणाचा कुठला रेशो बघणार PRS म्हणजे tan 29. ओके, tan 29 is equals to SP upon RS. SP upon RS. SP upon RS. But what about the tan of 29? मग tan 29 ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे तर 0.55. See this here, 0.55. SP. SP means what? SP is a X and this distance, that is a Y plus 4. Okay, RS is a Y plus 4. आणि पुन्हा इथे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. या y plus 4 ने 0.55 ला मल्टिप्लाइड करणार and then you will get here x is equals to 0.55 in bracket y plus 4. This is the first expression. आता यानंतर वरचा ट्रायंगल कन्सिडर करणार. That is a triangle RQT. That is a tan of 38 is equals to again TQ upon RT. TQ upon RT. That is the tan of 38. TQ is equals to X. Here distance X hai, therefore this is also X and this distance is a Y. And hence you will get here tan of 38 is equals to X upon Y. But what is the value of tan 38? आता या ठिकाणी tan 38 ची व्हॅल्यू दिलेली 0.78 and hence here 0.78 is equals to X upon Y. पुन्हा इथे मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. X is equals to 0.78y. This is expression number 2. आता या ठिकाणी आपल्याला x च्या दोन व्हॅल्यूज मिळाल्या. x is equals to 0.55 in bracket y plus 4 and again x is equals to 0.78y आणि म्हणून आपण हे दोन्ही काय करतो ते इक्वेट करतो. हे सॉल्व करण्यासाठी दोन्ही साइडला आपण 100 ने मल्टिप्लिकेशन करणार. दॅट इज अ मल्टिप्लाय ऑन बोथ साइड बाय 100. जेव्हा आपण इथे 100 ने मल्टिप्लाय करणार तर इथे 2 डेसिमल राईटला जाणार आणि देन यू विल गेट हियर 78 आणि इथे 0.55 into 100 means what 55 आणि पुन्हा ते सिम्प्लिफिकेशन करणार. दॅट इज 78y is equals to 55y plus 55 into 4. Then you will get here 220. That is a 78. पुढे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन 78y minus 55y. Then you will get here 23y is equals to 220. And hence y is equals to 220 upon 23 and then you will get here y is equals to 9.565 and that is equals to 10. That is up to nearest integer आपण इथे घेतलेले. Therefore here RS. Okay, what is the RS? RS is the height of the tree. That is y plus 4 and hence we are writing here y plus 4 means what 10 plus 4 that is equals to 14 and hence therefore the eagle was at a height of 14 meter from the ground. Okay, म्हणजे ही टोटल हाईट किती आली तर ती 14 मीटर आली. Okay, now next problem. A tree was broken due to storm. Its a broken upper part was so inclined that its a top touch the ground, making an angle of 30 degree with the ground. The distance from the foot of the tree and the point where the top touched the ground was 10 meter. What was the height of the tree? Okay. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, as shown in the figure, suppose AB is the tree. It was broken at C and its top touched at D. आता या ठिकाणी बघा, AB is the tree. ते C या पार्टला ते broken होतं. And then this A part touched the ground at D. Means what? Distance AC is equals to CD. Okay. Now here the angle CDB is equals to 30 degree. म्हणजेच अँगल CDB that is equals to इथे हा किती असणार आहे तर तो 30 डिग्री असणार आहे. मेजर ऑफ दिस अँगल इज 30 डिग्री. ओके. BD is equals to 10 meter. See this here. BD is equals to 10 meter. BD is equals to 10 meter. BC is equals to X meter. Okay. BC is equals to X meter. And again here, CA is equals to CD is equals to Y. CA is equals to CD. Distance म्हणजे किती? तर ते Y distance. Now, in right angle triangle, CDB, tan 30 is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. That is a BC upon BD. What about the tan 30? 1 upon root 3. BC is X upon 10. Therefore, X is equals to 10 upon root 3. Okay. What is the value of X? X value किती आली? तर ती 10 upon root 3. आता या ट्रायंगल कडे बघितल्यानंतर in triangle BCD, the X is the side opposite to angle 30 degree. मग Y किती असेल तर तो त्याचा 2 times असेल by 30, 60, 90 theorem. And hence here Y is equals to 2 into 10 by root 3 means what? 20 upon root 3. Therefore, what is the value of X plus Y? X plus Y is equals to 10 upon root 3 plus 20 upon root 3. Then you are getting 30 upon root 3. आता या ठिकाणी पुन्हा हे simplification करणार. What is that? 30 upon root 3. Now multiplied numerator and denominator by root 3. Then you will get here 30 root 3 upon 3. पुन्हा इथे simplification करणार. 3 ones are 1 and 3 tens are 30. Okay, then you are getting X plus Y is equals to 10 root 3. Therefore, the height of tree was 10 root 3 meter. And in this way, we have completed all solved examples. Now we will start the practice set 6.2. Practice set 6.2 आता सुरू करणार आहोत आपण. First example. A person is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church, looking at its top. The angle of elevation is 45 degree. Find the height of church. Okay. 2 मार्क्सचा क्वेश्चन येतो. मार्च 20 च्या एक्झाम मध्ये विचारला गेलेला क्वेश्चन येतो. This exam. Okay. Now see this here in figure. Okay, March 20. Answer. Let AB represent the church. Okay. C is position of observer. Angle ACB is angle of elevation. आणि या ठिकाणी angle of elevation किती आहे तर तो 45 degree. Okay. And BC is equals to 80 meter. Distance of observer from church. ACB is equals to 45. BC is equals to 80 meter. In right angle triangle. या ठिकाणी आपण tan गुणोत्तर वापरणार आहोत. Tan ratio घेणार आहोत. That is a tan of 45 opposite side upon adjacent side. Means what? Tan 45 is equals to AB upon BC. But what is the value of tan 45? Is 1 AB upon 80. and hence AB is equals to 80 meter. Actually, isosceles right angle triangle that is a AB is equals to a BC, and hence height of church is 80 meter, and this is answer. Okay, now next example. From the top of a lighthouse, an observer looking at a ship makes angle of depression of 60 degree. If height of the lighthouse is 90 meters, then find how far the ship is from the lighthouse. Here the value of root 3 is equals to 1.73. Okay, from the lighthouse of the top. इतना जेव्हा बघितलं जातं, then the angle of depression here is a 60 degree. Okay. Now see the solution. Let segment AB represent a lighthouse. C is the position of ship and AD is the horizontal line. Angle DAC is the angle of depression. Okay. Here AB is equals to 90 meter. That is the height of a lighthouse. तर ती किती आहे? The 90 meter. Angle DAC is equals to 60 meter. Now as these two lines are parallel, CA is their transversal. These are the alternate angle, and therefore measure of angle ACB is also 60 degree. आता इथे कुठला रेशो आपण इथे वापरणार? That is, we will apply here the tan ratio. That is, angle ACB is equals to angle DCA is equals to 60 degree in right angle triangle ABC. Tan 60 is equals to AB upon BC. Okay. What is the value of, again here, tan 60? Tan 60 value root 3. And again, AB is 90 upon BC. Okay. Therefore, BC is equals to, BC इकडे numerator येणार आणि root 3 इथे divide होणार. Now we will simplify this. That is, multiply numerator and the denominator by root 3. Okay, root 3 into root 3, you will get here 3. That is a 90 root 3 upon 3. And a simplification करणार. Then you will get here BC is equals to 30 root 3. Okay. And what is the value of root 3? Root 3 is 1.73. Their multiplication is, that is a BC is equals to 51.9 meter. And hence the answer. The ship is at a distance of 51.9 meter from lighthouse. This is the distance PC. Okay. Now, next example. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meters. From top of the first building, which is 10 meter high, the angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. What is the height of the second building? Okay, now see this here. These are the two buildings AB and CD. Okay, the height of first building is 10 meter. पहिल्या building ची height किती आहे? तर ती 10 meter आहे. And from the top of the first building, if we see the top of the second building, the angle of elevation is 60 degree. Okay, what is the height of the second building? And here the width of the road is 12 meter. Okay, and here distance किती? तर ते 12 meter. Okay, now answer. Let segment AB and CD represent the two buildings. AB and CD represent the two buildings. Segment BD represent a road. Segment AE is perpendicular to segment CD and E is in between C and D. Angle CAE is equals to, is the angle of elevation. AB is equals to 10 meter. Okay, AB is a 10 meter, BD is equals to 12 meter. That is the width of the road. AP means what? Height of the first building. Angle CAE is equals to 60 degree. And here the quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. या ठिकाणी हे कसे येतात ते perpendicular. This is the perpendicular. And A is a perpendicular to CD. Therefore, it's a rectangle. Therefore, AE is also 12 meters. And ED is equals to AB. हा देखील किती असणार आहे तर तो 10 मीटर असणार आहे. Okay. D is equals to AB is equals to 10 meter. A is equals to BD is equals to 12 meter. Opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी आपण tan ratio apply करणार. That is a in triangle ACB. Tan 60 is equals to CE upon AE. Okay. बघूया पुन्हा. Tan 60 is equals to measure of angle हा किती होता तर तो 60 होता इथे. Okay. CE upon AE. The value of tan 60 is a √3 CE upon AE. AE ची value किती? 12. That is the width of the road. Okay. And the AB is equals to ED. That is here 10 meter. Therefore here C is equals to 12 √3 meter. CD is equals to CE plus ED. That is the 12 √3 plus 10. Okay. And this is the height of the second building. Okay. Height of the second building is a 12 √3 plus 10 meter. Now, next example. Two poles of height 18 meter and 7 meter are erected on a ground. The length of wire fastened at their top in 20 meters. Find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी two poles consider करणार. The first pole is AB and the second pole is CD. Height of the first pole is 7 meter and the height of the second pole is 18 meter. Okay. We want to find out the angle CAE. हा angle आपल्याला find out करायचा. Okay. Let segment AB and the segment CD represent the two poles. AB and CD represent the two poles. AC represent the wire. AC represent the wire. Segment AE is a perpendicular to CD and E is in between C and D. AB is equals to 7 meters, CD is equals to 18 meters, AC is equals to 22 meter. AC किती आहे तर ते 22 meter. Okay. Angle CAE is the angle made by this wire AC. Okay. With the horizontal angle. Let angle CAE is equals to theta. या angle ला आपण काय consider करणार तर theta. Quadrilateral ABCD is a rectangle. D is equals to AB is equals to 7. Okay. D and AB, these are the opposite sides of this rectangle. आणि ते देखील किती असणार आहे? That is a 7 meter. Okay. Next, that is the opposite sides of the rectangles are equal. C plus AD. C plus ED is equals to 18. म्हणजेच C किती येणार? That is 18 minus 7 and therefore C is equals to. Okay. C is equals to 18 minus 7. its value किती आली? That is equals to 11. And AC is 22. We want to find out measure of this angle theta. तर या रेशो मध्ये आपण इथे साइन रेशो कन्सिडर करणार. दॅट इज अपोजिट साइड. या अँगलची कशी आहे तर ती अपोजिट साइड आहे. अपोजिट साइड अपॉन हायपोटेनस. ट्रायंगल AEC इज अ राइट अँगल ट्रायंगल. ओके. बघूया. In right angle triangle CEA sin theta is equals to opposite side CE upon hypotenuse AC, sin theta is equals to 11 upon 22 and that is equals to 1 upon 2. 11 upon 22 means what? त्याला simplify केल्यानंतर 1 upon 2 मिळेल. परंतु sin theta ची व्हॅल्यू 1 upon 2 ही कोणत्या अँगल साठी येते? We know that it is a 30. Okay, we know that sin 30 is 1 upon 2 and therefore theta must be 30 degree. Okay, theta is a 30 degree and hence the wire makes an angle of 30 degree with horizontal. The angle made by the wire with the horizontal is 30 degree. Easy question है तो. Next, question number 5. A storm broke a tree and top tree rested 20 meter from the base of the tree. या टाइपचं एक्झाम्पल आपण बघितलं शॉर्ट मध्ये. Making an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. Find the height of the tree. Okay. Now see this here. Okay. आता या ठिकाणी AB हा ट्री आहे आणि ड्यू टू द स्टॉर्म इट ब्रोक ॲट द पॉइंट C. मग हा वरचा टॉप कुठे येणार तर तो D ला येणार अँड हिअर दी AC इज इक्वल्स टू CD असणार आहे. इट्स मेक्स अन अँगल ऑफ 60 डिग्री. या ठिकाणी तो कुठला अँगल करतो 60 डिग्री. या ठिकाणी तो ब्रेक झाल्यानंतर AC इज इक्वल्स टू CD. फाइंड दी हाईट ऑफ द ट्री. म्हणजे आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचंय तर AB हे फाइंड आउट करायचंय. ओके. अँड दी इट rested 20 meter from the base of the tree means what? BD is equals to 20 meter. Okay. बघूया आता. Let segment AB represent tree before the storm. Due to the storm, tree gets broken at C. Broken part AC takes the position CD. AC is equals to CD. BD is equals to 20 meter and angle CDB. CDB is equals to 60 meter. In right angle triangle CBD. Okay. Tan 60 is equals to opposite side upon adjacent side. That is BC upon BD. Okay. आता tan 60 आपल्याला माहिती आहे इथे. Tan 60 means what? √3. Okay. √3 is equals to BC upon 20. Distance किती होता तर ते 20 meter. Measure of this angle is a 60 degree. Okay. Therefore, BC is equals to 20 √3. BC किती मिळालं आपल्याला? That is a 20 √3. Okay. This is the 20 √3 meter. We want to find out the height of the tree. Okay. Now see this here. Also sin 60. आता आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं तर CD फाइंड आउट करायचं. आपल्याला अपोजिट साइड माहिती आहे या ठिकाणी. Therefore, we will use here the sin ratio चा इथे ऍप्लिकेशन करणार. Sin 60 means what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is sin 60 is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse. That is a CB upon CD. Sin 60 means what? √3 upon 2 and CB. CB ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? 20 √3 upon CD. ओके. तर हे सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. नॉर्मल सिम्प्लिफिकेशन आहे. CD इज इक्वल्स टू हे न्यूमरेटर आला, हा √3 खाली आला, हा 2 इकडे मल्टिप्लिकेशन झाला. Here √3 will get cancelled. You will get here 2 into 20. That is a CD is equals to 40 meter. ओके. या CD ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? तर ती 40 मीटर आली. आता ड्यू टू द स्टॉर्म दी ट्री ब्रेक ॲट द पॉइंट C. म्हणजे AC आणि CD हे कसे तर सेम आहे. Therefore here AC is equals to also 40 meter. ओके. आता आपल्याला हाईट ऑफ द ट्री फाइंड आउट करायचे. AC is equals to CD is equals to 40 meter and therefore here the AB means what? Height of the tree. That is a AC plus CB. Okay. 40 plus 20 √3. This is AB is equals to 40 plus 20 √3 meter. This is height of the tree. Therefore, the final answer, height of the tree is in bracket 40 plus 20 √3 meter. Okay. Now, next example. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. The string is attached to the kite is tied at the ground. It makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. Assuming that the string is stretched, the string कशी आहे? The stretch आहे, सरळ आहे ती. Find the length of the string. Here root 3 is equals to 1.73. Let A represent the position of kite. Okay, here is the position of the kite. Segment BD represent the surface of the ground. BD is the surface of the ground. Segment AB is height of the kite above the ground. Okay. तर AB is equals to 60 meter. AB आपल्याला त्याने ती दिलेले. It's a 60 meter. Okay. Next, AD represent the string. AD represent the string. Angle ADB. ADB is the angle made by the string with the ground. This is the angle made by the string with the ground. Angle ADB is equals to 60 degree. Here the measure of angle ADB is equals to 60 degree. Okay. In right angle triangle ABD, sin 60 is equals to opposite side upon hypotenuse, that is a AD. See this here. Substitute the value. Sin 60 means what? Root 3 upon 2. AB is 60. Okay. AB किती आहे? तर तो 60 meter. We want to find, this is a measure of angle 60. Okay. And this is D. Okay. Cross multiplication या ठिकाणी करणार. That is a AD into root 3 and 60 into 2. Therefore, AD is equals to 60 into 2 upon root 3. That is a 120 upon root 3. Numerator denominator ला root 3 ने multiply करणार. And here, that is root 3 into root 3. 3. That is 120 root 3 upon 3. Then you will get here AD is equals to a simplification करणार. That is a 120 ला या 3 ने divide करणार. You will get here 40. Therefore, AD is equals to 40 root 3. But what is the value of root 3? 1.73. Therefore, AD is equals to 40 into 1.73 and hence AD is equals to 69.2 meter. Okay. Therefore, the length of the string is 69.2 meter. Okay. And in this way, we have completed practice set 6.2. Now we will see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.